So in today's lesson, we're going to look at gametes and we're going to look at fertilization. So first of all, we need to know what a gamete is. We need to know how a gamete can do its job. And then the next thing would be to actually describe the process of fertilization. So on the next slide, what you can see is a sperm cell. Now it's not really that big. The interesting feature is that the sperm cell is adapted because it has a large head, and what you can see in this area there, this purple section, that's the nucleus. It's got a quite a big nucleus for all that genetic information. So let's try and label some words. So that's the nucleus. And in this middle section here, that contains lots and lots of mitochondria, because the mitochondria are really important because they release energy so the sperm can actually move. And here we've got the tail. The tail is going to enable the sperm to actually move. So coming back now to this little bit of reading, so my question would be, how is a sperm cell adapted for its job, to do its job? So we can see a sperm cell has a tail. The tail is the adaptation, and the tail is going to mean that the sperm can actually move to the egg. A sperm has a large head. This is the adaptation. The large head is important because it contains a nucleus with lots of genetic information. And then the last one, the one that I like to learn, is a sperm has got lots of mitochondria. Having the mitochondria is the adaptation, which releases energy so the sperm can move. And the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my highlighter and I'm just going to highlight the adaptations. So the tail is an adaptation. The large head is an adaptation. Having lots of mitochondria is an adaptation. And then if I go, I'm going to choose red. Tail, so it can move. Large head, so it contains lots of genetic information. Lots of mitochondria, so lots of energy is released, so the sperm can move.